Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the new video of English grammar. Today we will learn lesson number 26, joining words and, but, or. We call joining words as combining words or conjunction. Read the below sentences. Cows and goats are domestic animals. Here we are talking about the similar things. Therefore, we have used and. And is your joining word in the sentence. We will read the second one. I ran fast, but I missed the bus. I ran fast, but I missed the bus. We use but to show a difference or when we are talking about the opposite things. Okay, so now we will read the third sentence. You can read a book or you can play. At any particular time, you can do only one thing. It means that you can read a book or you can play. The choice is yours. Okay, so whenever the choice is given or you need to choose from among the option, you will use or. Joining words. So the word and, but, or are joining words. Joining words connects words or you can say group of words or short sentences. As I already mentioned, in another word you can say it as a combining word or conjunction in English language. It will be very clear with the following example. First, we will learn about or. Or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, here in the slide it was given, what would you have? Ice cream or cake? Here options are given and to show a choice, ice cream or cake. At a time you can have only one thing. So therefore we have used here or. Now we will learn about and. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add more information. We use and to combine similar ideas or if we want to add more information to particular thing. Now see the example. The moon and stars shine in the sky at night. At night time when you see towards the sky you will see moon as well as stars. So we are talking about the similar things. Both are there. So therefore we have used here and. Now we will move to the next one. But. This is the third joining word. We use but to show a difference or an opposite ideas. If you want to show a difference between something or some places, some person, we can use but or the qualities of a person. Here in the example, the palace is big but the heart is small. Here we are comparing two things. So here we will use but. As it was given in the picture also you can see the difference between the two things. So here but we have used to show a difference between the things. Now at least you are having a clear idea about the joining words. We will use them. First, I like apple - banana. Here we are talking about the similar things. We will use and. I like apple and banana. The second one we will read. Okay. We will go to Pune by bus - by car. Okay. We will go to Pune by bus - by car. Here at particular time you can choose one option. So therefore we will write or. The third one, I like pizzas - I do not like burgers. There is a difference between two things. Here we are talking about like and dislike. Therefore, we will use but. I like pizzas, but I do not like burgers. The fourth one, I will use a pen dash a pencil to write the answers. At any particular time, you can use only one thing, pencil or a pen. So therefore, the answer will be OR, or. The fifth one, and that is the last one, please taste if the grapes are sweet dash sour. Here we are talking about the difference between two things, and there are the options also given, sweet and sour, opposite things. Okay, so we will use OR, or. Okay children, so same like that you can practice more about the joint, practice more and learn more children. Okay, now you can make simple sentences. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.